Hello friends, welcome back. Let's jump right in and check the template loader file to see how single template for a post is loaded and how the template hierarchy is created for it. I will remove this code, go into the front end to any of the posts page. Let's test with this post for which we have assigned a custom post template, and let's see how this works. I'll bring this code back, reload, scroll to the bottom. You can see the is single is set to true and is singular is set to true. Both of these are set to true for this page because it's a single post page. Now, if we check this array, you can see the is single and is singular both are present. Since is single is at the top, this will be prioritized and it will take precedence over is singular. This priority matters because is singular works for both pages attachments as well as the post. So it should have a lower priority. Is single function call, if it returns true, it will return the single template. So now if we check this function, get single template, it will retrieve the queried object and the current post type. And for the current post, it will construct the template files. It will also get the template slug for this post if there is any. Then it will construct different template files for this post type. Let's add echo statement here. Now we can check the template hierarchy for this. If we look at the front end, the first template being checked is the without comment.php because WordPress prioritizes the page template by slug. In the database, we already have a without comment.php set as the template for this post. So this template will be checked first, and if it is found, then it will be added as the first entry in the templates array. If it is not found, then WordPress will fall back to the other templates for the hierarchy. So first it will check for without comment.php, which is our custom template, then single post hello world.php, followed by single post.php, and finally single.php. So it will go from top to bottom and then it will make a call for get query template. This is the same function we have seen when loading the page templates. It will be executed. It will first locate the template, whatever the first template is located, it will apply this filter and return the template. If it is not found, then WordPress will use the index template. If it is found, then it will simply include that file, and you can also use this filter to filter the part and then include it, and our custom template will be loaded. Now, let me just rename this file to something else. So, this will mean this file does not exist. To demonstrate that, it will fall back to another template. Now, if we go to the front end and reload, you can see the front page template is still being loaded, and the template that is being used is the single.php. This is because of the template hierarchy. Since there is no without comment.php, it is not found and it will fall back to single.php. Since single.php exists, it uses that template. That's why it's now using single.php instead of without comment.php. First, WordPress checked whether there was any without comment.php file. Since it couldn't find any, it checked for single post hello world.php file. There is no template with this name either, so it will check for single post.php. It could also not find that, so it lastly fall back to single.php. There is a single.php file in our theme, so it has loaded that file. Now if I rename this file back to its old name and reload it, it will start using the without comment.php since it occurs at a higher priority in the template hierarchy than the single.php. So this is how WordPress decides which templates needs to be loaded. It constructs a template hierarchy and prioritizes the templates from top to bottom and looks for them in the active theme. If the template is not found in the active theme, WordPress will check whether the active theme is a child theme. If it is, then WordPress will look for it into the parent theme. In the child theme video, we will explore this further where I will discuss child themes, how to create one, and how to use it to override the functionality and templates of a parent theme. So, after watching this video, you can go through these WordPress core files and understand how this functionality works. If you haven't watched the video about Rewrite API, please do so because in that video I covered parsing the request query variables, and based on these query variables, WordPress identifies which SQL query to construct, executes the query, fetches the data, and then displays it on the front end. And based on these conditional tags, WordPress identifies which templates need to be loaded. and will load the appropriate template to display the content. This is how the template hierarchy in WordPress works. Now, while exploring the WordPress core base and understanding what happens behind the scenes, we discovered various filters that can be used to change the priority of template hierarchy. While I haven't encountered a use case where I needed to change the priority, it's good to know that these actions and filters are available for this purpose if required. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Jai WordPress!